Maha Navami and Dussehra are two important festivals in the Hindu calendar, especially celebrated in India and Nepal. Both festivals are linked to the larger festival of Navratri, a 9-day festival dedicated to the worship of the goddess Durga. Maha Navami. Date and timing. Maha Navami is the 9th day of the Navratri festival and usually falls one day before Dussehra. The date varies each year according to the Hindu lunar calendar, but generally falls in the months of September or October. Significance. Maha Navami marks the victory of good over evil and is a day for celebrating the goddess Durga's triumph over the demon Mahishasura. It is considered a highly auspicious day and is often associated with performing rituals, pujas, and sacrifices to honor the goddess. In some regions, especially in eastern India, this day also marks the culmination of the Durga Puja festival, with special prayers, offerings, and processions. Rituals. Durga Puja. On this day, special prayers and rituals are performed to invoke Durga and her 9 forms, Navadurga, are worshipped. Ayudha Puja. In South India, weapons, tools, and vehicles are cleaned and worshipped as part of the Ayudha Puja, which takes place on this day. Kanya Puja. Kanjak. In many parts of India, young girls, representing the goddess, are worshipped and offered food and gifts. Dussehra, also known as Vijayadashami. Date and timing. Dussehra falls on the 10th day of the Navratri festival, right after Maha Navami. Like Maha Navami, the exact date is determined by the Hindu calendar and usually falls in September or October. Significance. Dussehra celebrates the victory of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravana, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. It also marks the end of Durga Puja, commemorating the goddess Durga's victory over Mahishasura. In some regions, Dussehra also marks the harvest season and the transition from the rainy season to winter. Rituals. Ram Lila. In many parts of India, dramatic performances called Ram Lila recount the life of Lord Rama, culminating in the burning of effigies of Ravana, Meghnad, and Kumbhakarna to symbolize the victory of good over evil. Processions. Processions of idols of Durga are carried out, followed by their immersion Visarjan in rivers or other bodies of water. Shami Puja. In some parts of India, people worship the shami tree and exchange its leaves, as it is considered auspicious. Regional variations. In northern and western India, Dussehra is largely associated with Lord Rama's victory over Ravana and is marked by the burning of Ravana effigies. In eastern India, especially in Bengal, it marks the end of Durga Puja and the immersion of the goddess Durga's idols in water. In southern India, Dussehra is known as Dussehra and is celebrated with grand processions, cultural performances, and worship of weapons, tools, and vehicles.